If you want to convert photos to black and white in Pixlr, you're in the right place. In this video, I'll show you a super simple way to turn any image into black and white using Pixlr, and I'll also show you an alternative option if you want a more raw grayscale look. This is perfect for creating dramatic edits, improving a photo's mood, or just giving your image a clean classic style. And if you find this tutorial helpful, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more easy software guides just like this. Alright, let's jump in. First, open your browser and go to pixlr.com. Once the site loads, choose Pixlr E, which is the advanced editor version. After that, click Open Image and load the photo you want to edit. You can pick an image from your computer and wait a moment for it to appear in the editor. Once your photo is open, look at the top menu bar. This is where most of the editing tools are located. Click on Adjustment to open the drop-down menu. Inside the adjustment options, you'll see several ways to modify your image. To quickly convert your photo to black and white with a balanced result, choose Auto B&W. Pixlr will automatically remove the color and apply a smart black and white conversion, often giving you a cleaner and more polished look than a simple grayscale filter. If you want a more basic conversion without any automatic contrast adjustments, you can choose Desaturate instead. This removes the color and leaves you with a raw grayscale version of the image. That option is useful if you want full control over the final look or plan to make further edits afterward. After selecting either Auto B&W or Desaturate, your photo will instantly change to black and white. At this point, you can continue editing if you want to adjust brightness, contrast, or other effects to fine-tune the image even more. When you're happy with the result, you can save or export your edited photo from Pixlr. And that's it. Now you know how to convert photos to black and white in Pixlr in just a few clicks. If this tutorial helped you out, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss the next editing guide.